Alright, here we have a 2013 Ducati. This is the dashboard, the ignition lock, and seat lock. Basically, the customer dropped this off. We're going to do it in a few hours. Basically, this dashboard is the Digitech dashboard. This uses the high security key, which is laser cut. So we can go ahead and generate this from scratch, and we'll go ahead and do the special programming for this. We'll come back with the keys generated, chips programmed, and this thing will be ready to rock and roll, plug and play. I'll come back in a little bit. Alright, we're back at the Ducati. Key 1 works. Key 2. So basically these keys already been programmed. We put chips in them. We programmed them to the dash. On this particular dashboard we had to open it up, so we're going to have to seal it back up. But basically, if you have these dashboards, this is for the Street Fighter and the HyperMotard. They use special software, but anyway, keys are programmed. You need our help, give us a call. We'll tell you what you need to send us. In most cases, you're going to need to send us the ignition lock if you want us to cut the keys. And you're going to have to send us the dashboard. If you don't want us to cut the keys, just send us the dashboard. We'll send you 2 uncut keys that's already programmed, and you get somebody in your area to cut them. And that's about it. I'll go to the website www.acmlocksmith group. You want to know more information, just click on mail-in services. Thank you.